Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. CEFR Year 4, Unit 5, Eating Right. You can refer to your textbook page 52. So, in this video, we are focusing on how many versus how much. Bila nak guna how many, bila nak guna how much. Okay. So, first of all, what are the definitions of how many and how much? Apa maksud how many, apa maksud how much? Okay. How many and how much, it refers to you asking for quantity. Okay, how many is used to ask for quantity. How much ada dua kegunaan. How much is used to ask for quantity and it is used to ask for price. How many digunakan untuk tanya quantity, berapa bilangan. How much digunakan untuk tanya quantity dan juga untuk tanya harga. Okay, so how many ada satu saja kegunaan dia, used to ask for quantity. How much ada dua kegunaan. The first one is asking for quantity. Kegunaan nombor dua, asking for price. Tanya tentang quantity, tanya tentang harga. But in this video, I'm not going to teach you on asking for price. Saya tak nak ajar tentang asking for price. Saya akan ajar hanya tentang asking for quantity. So in this video, we are using the context asking for quantity. How many and how much. Okay. Jadi maksudnya sama, asking for quantity. But when do we use how many and when do we use how much? Bila guna how many, bila guna how much. Okay, so this is the difference. How many is used for countable nouns. How many is used for countable nouns. How much is used for uncountable noun. Ingat tu, how many is used for countable noun. How much is used for uncountable nouns. Apa maksud countable, uncountable? Countable boleh dikira, uncountable tak boleh dikira. Okay, and how many is always plural. How many is always plural. How many mesti plural, mesti banyak. Okay. Sebab many kan maksudnya kan banyak kan. So how many ni berapa banyak. Dia mesti banyak. Okay. How much. How much it can be plural and it can be singular. Most of the time it is singular. Okay, dengar tu betul. How much dia boleh jadi plural, dia boleh jadi singular. Tetapi kebanyakan masanya dia singular. Okay. For example, saya bagi example yang plural. Contohnya asking for price. How much are these fruits? Berapakah harga buah-buah ini? Plural, banyak. Okay. So that is asking for price. Saya tak nak ajar hari ni. We are focusing on asking for quantity. Okay. So let's look at the example. How many apples do you eat? I eat 3 apples. How many apples do you eat? Berapa banyak buah apple yang awak makan? I eat 3 apples. Saya makan 3 apples. Apples boleh dikira. Is it countable? Yes. Apple is countable noun. Apple boleh dikira. So we are using how many. Okay. Berapa banyak apple yang awak makan? I eat 3 apples. Saya makan 3 apple. Sebab apa? Sebab kita boleh kira. 1, 2, 3. 3 biji apple. Okay. Looks at how much. How much milk do you drink? Berapa banyak susu awak minum? Susu kita tak boleh kira. Right? Milk is uncountable. Kita tak boleh kira. Kita tak tahu berapa liter susu tu. So we are using partitive noun to count the milk. Kita gunakan partitive noun untuk kira milk tu. So apa jawapan dia? I drink 2 glasses of milk. Kita menggunakan gelas untuk kira susu tu. Okay, susu tu kita tak boleh nak kira berapa liter. Jadi kita gunakan gelas untuk susu, untuk kira susu tu. I drink 2 glasses of milk. Saya minum 2 gelas susu. So that is how you use how many and how much. How many is used for countable noun. Noun yang boleh dikira. How much is used for uncountable noun. Okay, let's look at the other examples. Okay, the same thing. How many biscuits do you have? Berapa banyak biskut yang awak ada? I have 9 biscuits. Biscuit is countable, boleh dikira. Okay, so we are using how many. And please remember that it is always plural. How many is always plural. That's why I put S, biscuits. Okay, I have 9 biskut. Kita kira biskut tu ada 9 biskut. So saya ada 9 biskut. I have 9 biscuits. So we are using how many. How much is for uncountable. Tak boleh dikira. Okay, for example, how much rice do you eat? Berapa banyak nasi yang awak makan? Kita tak boleh nak kira. Kalau kita kira sebiji-sebiji, tak habis. Kita tak boleh nak kira nasi tu berapa banyak kan. Jadi kita nak jawab macam mana? Kita gunakan partitive noun. I eat a plate of rice. Saya makan sepinggan nasi. Sebab tu kita gunakan how much. Sebab rice is uncountable. nasi tak boleh dikira. When it is uncountable, bila ianya uncountable, we use how much. How much rice do you eat? Berapa banyak nasi awak makan? I eat a plate of rice. Saya makan sepinggan nasi. Awak tak boleh tanya, how many rice do you eat? Sebab how many tu untuk countable, sedangkan rice tu adalah uncountable. Okay, so these are the other examples of how many and how much. How many sweet do you eat? I eat 3 sweets. Okay, sweet are countable. Sweet boleh dikira. Jadi kita gunakan how many. Okay, how many eggs do you have? Berapa banyak telur awak ada? I have 4 eggs. Saya ada 4 biji telur. Sebab telur tu countable. So we are using how many. Okay, how much? How much coffee do you drink? Berapa banyak kopi awak minum? Kita tak boleh jawab. Kita tak tahu berapa banyak kan, kuantiti kan, berapa liter tak tahu. So we are using partitive noun. I drink 2 cups of coffee. Coffee is uncountable, so we use how much. How much sugar do you need? Berapa banyak gula awak perlukan? I need 2 spoons of sugar. Saya perlukan 2 sudu gula. Okay, awak tak boleh tanya how many sugar do you need, sebab how many is for countable. Sugar uncountable. Tak boleh nak kira. Kalau awak kira, takkan awak nak cakap saya perlukan 1 juta butir gula kan? Tak boleh. Awak kena guna partitive noun. I need 2 spoons of sugar. So that is how you use how much and how many in the context of asking for quantity. Okay, saya tak ajar lagi how much dalam konteks asking for price. Okay, but please remember that how many is always plural. How much can be plural, can be singular. Tapi kebanyakan masanya ianya adalah singular. Sebab plural untuk how much ni hanya untuk asking for price. Okay, itu saya akan ajar masa Google Meet. And if you have any question, you can ask during our Google Meet. And if you are not my students, you can ask your teacher about what I mean by how much versus how many. Okay, so that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.